Good morning, everyone. Welcome to AntSol Travel. Today we're going to go to the OCFair by train from Anaheim. Normally there is on the weekend is express bus service that goes from Anaheim Transportation Center, Fullerton, Laguna Hills, and also Huntington Beach. However, this time around it only is for the they don't do that on Fridays, which they had to have today off. Right now they're trying to take Metrolink 600 to Tustin from Anaheim to Tustin, which is only $5, including OCBus connections as well. So only get there for $5 going to the fair. So that's pretty good for there as well. But of course, it's one way. But includes trains, so I like that there. But also, right now trains running late by 15 minutes because speed restrictions apparently. So I guess it's like maybe a lot of freight traffic going through Fullerton and that corridor from Union Pacific. So let's go to the Orange County Fair by train. Alright, so I bought my ticket going to Tustin. There for only $5. So that's pretty good. However, they don't advertise it very well on their ads that it's only on the weekends. Direct to the fair, it's like, and especially when it's like, oh, you can just go, just park at Huntington Beach and just GoldenWest Transportation Center and just take the bus there. It's like, no, it's weekends only. Yeah, unfortunately it is only weekends only. And with all these banners, like, wish they could have more emphasis on that, but they don't. Oh, I gotta wait a bit longer before the train comes. OC 600 is about nearly 30 minutes late due to speed restrictions. Finally here, it's like 9:09 a.m. But at least it's here now.
Ladies and gentlemen, Metrolink to Oceanside. Doors will be closing. Stand clear.
On the train, we go restroom. There are a couple stops. There, locks. And then you got a toilet there, and then also have these weird ones that operate with one hand. Wow, this is such great faucets. I'm gonna have to wait on the platform for 30 minutes, man.
Gentlemen, Santa Ana Station.
Scan, yeah, it's showing good. On 70, that's gonna go up to Red Hill. They're gonna take me 71. So this is a bike lane, so I'm really deciding on the slides bike lane, just make sure it's protected. But of course, this bus barely see the line, so wish it'd be a bit more protected. I got these Thank you.
Doors open.
Yeah, so now just gonna go up a few blocks to go to Microcenter. That'll be our next stop right now. Especially to get some few USB cables, and also get free micro SD card as well. Freight trains like you make passenger traffic so almost with planes. Because it goes down the way from Santa Ana airports. Trains, planes, and automobiles high. It's a good thing I waited because the store opens at 10. Good thing train was late because Microcenter opens at 10. So that works. Everyone's lining up. Welcome to Microcenter, the ultimate computer store where you can get pretty much any electronics that you want and even build your own computer from scratch. You get cooling fans, pure chairs, more cooling fans, power supplies, memory, hard drives, and even latest and computer graphics cards. Yeah. Of course, I'm here to build a computer. Also, spent enough money already on my network attached drive for hard drives right now. So I'm just gonna get USB cables and micro SD cards. Just finished up at Microcenter, got the free micro SD card, and then that's for like rewards for coming back, and then also got a USB-C Lightning and USB-C to C. Also got a shout out to Tim Neshruka, I think it's pronounced, but thank you for him for getting that. Let me find everything there. Time to head to the bus stop. Alright, so now Red Hill Edinburgh. So for there, we got the bus stop. It's gonna be for the 71. And go to the OCFair. Exit off at Fair Street. So there, we're gonna wait for the bus a bit, and then it should be coming soon there. Also, it sounds like right in our face. You gotta stand back a bit here. But the bus operator should see me. Yeah, so Metrolink good. Yep. Yeah, so Metrolink good. Pass. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Doors open.
Yeah, we're here at Costa Mesa. So now finally arrived in Costa Mesa. Right now it is 11:15. Everything worked out perfectly. Now the fair is open. Get food. maybe go on a ride or two. That's really expensive now. At least now for there they do have sampler passes for like $5, so that's pretty good. If you're at Fair and Newport Boulevard, obviously you'll walk down ways down that way, then you should be at the fair. Let's go. So the fair, they have a walk-through process on there, so as long as like not anything dangerous, then you don't set anything off. I bought tickets, so I just went through there. And there got Millennium Barn, all the foods and all the vendors, fairware and everything. And finally here, yeah. Finally made it to the OCFair. Now in photography woodworking galleries, here they have all the fine arts and crafts that's for competition. And of course, there are a lot of these. There's like over 3,000 photos entered in. But man, it's not even close to even being considered there.
Look at those doggies had.
What are you gonna do? Oh, this one got first place for visual art. Wow. I'm like the president. Cool. Alright, $5 deal number one is from the Mexican funnel cakes. And so for their Mexican funnel cake for $5. This is really good. This size is small. So it looks pretty good. Okay, so now we are going to try from Chicken Charlie's is fried. So this $5 item, this is the fried avocado, and then also they have is a pickled Dr. Pepper. I tried the pickled lemonade at Tustin. That was pretty good, but very sour. So for this one, not as much sour really. Because also Dr. Pepper is like a mixture of like 23, or like a whole bunch of flavors. I think like 23. It's already a mixture already. So, and additional flavor pickles doesn't make too much of a difference. But let's try the fried avocados. Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Really like there. Recommend both. Whoop. And Kathy's cookies also here at the fair as well. You can get 6 cookies for $5. Pretty good deal. Need cookies. OCFair, you get to see a lot of food. Got to eat a lot of food. And then you got to see bands, got records. That was really fun. Now it's time to take the OCBus back. At Fairview Road, we're going to take the 47 back to Orange. That's 147. So it should be coming soon. Finally back in Orange. Well, especially got transferred to another bus, but oh well. But The fair there is easier for me to walk anyways. No, look, an Alper. I don't need an Alper. I way too much fair food. Okay, so pretty much to properly augment the whole route, you need to take like 2 buses. It's like the 50 and then transfer like a Haster to the 47. And then pretty much you need like 2 different buses. But the way I was thinking is like doing 3 buses, but you just need 2. One's looking at directions. Otherwise, it took over an hour because of how many times you have to stop, and especially if the bus goes slower in general, and because of how long it takes everyone to get paid for it. But overall, fun day, and doing everywhere by transit. At least I didn't do errands, and also got new albums. So head back to the apartment. That was quite a day. Over pretty much 10 hours in transit, and pretty much I did a lot of venturing on there, taking trains and buses, got power cables, ate a lot of fair food, and also got a new album as well, though technically a single, but they got for the Beck Dreams album, this single, so it only contains streams on one side and the other has like a cappella version and then also like a instrumental version as well. So it was a fun day. Would a lot of people do that, try to take the bus there? Not really, but some people would, some people won't. Depends on what makes it easier for that case, and this makes it easier, so depends on what is the fastest and easier option. This case on the weekday, not really. It takes way over an hour just to get to Orange, to get from the fairgrounds to Orange. So depends on what will work for your case there. Thanks for watching AntSol Travel.